So, meine Damen und Herren, und jetzt für euch I am sailing. Von eurem Peter aus Oberfranken. I am sailing. I am sailing home again, across the sea. I am sailing stormy waters to be near you, to be free. I am flying like a bird across the sky. I am flying Persian high schools to be with you, to be free. Can you hear me? Can you hear me through the dark night, far away? I am dying, forever trying to be with you. Who can say? Hear me? Can you hear me through the dark night, far away? I am dying, forever crying to be with you. Who can say? We are sailing home again, across the sea. We are sailing stormy waters to be near you, to be free. Oh Lord, to be near you, to be free. Oh my Lord, to be near you, to be free. Oh my Lord, to be near you, to be free. Oh my Lord, to be near you, to be free. The sky, I am dying, forever crying to wish you to be free. Oh Lord, to be free, to be free.